Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video I will tell you how you can change the YouTube channel from Gmail. So here you can see that my channel has been already suspended. Now I want to delete that one. Personal info, sign in, and you have to go on the data and privacy. After moving towards bottom, here you can see that the access are available. You have to move and delete your Google account. You have to click here, then you will see the circle is moving. I have to verify it. After verifying, here you will see the access. As you see that your channel with 38 subscribers will be deleted and 45 conversation will be deleted, and each and everything is available here, but my subscriber was greater than 38. Here you can see that after again login the options has been changed and 89 videos uploaded and Gmail. So now I will delete my YouTube channel from the Google. As you can see that delete your content from YouTube. Your YouTube account is currently suspended. As a result, your channel is already hidden on YouTube. Here you can see that if I delete my account, then I will not create another one. Here it is already mentioned because my account has been suspended and I cannot create new one. uh, uh, as you can see that deleting your suspending channel will not allow you to create another YouTube account, so I delete it. uh, Here you can see that this will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with ceiling decor. Select all the following to confirm that you understand. Yes, the following will be permanently deleted: your 89 videos, your 38 subscriptions to other channels, 149 subscriber to your channel. So each and everything will be deleted. As you know, my channel has been already suspended, so no effect for me. So I just check both the things and delete my account, because due to this channel my other channel has also been suspended. Now I want to release another channel, that's why I am deleting this one. So here you can see that each and everything will be delete your YouTube content, including all videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions, comments, message searches. Each and everything will be deleted. Now I just have to write the same thing: ceiling decor. You have to write the own email address. Delete my content. Here your content is being deleted. Your content is in process of being permanently deleted. Usually this take a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. So let's move back and we here refresh it, and then I can check it. Delete Google services and we see still available or not. Verifying it's you. So here you can see that the YouTube channel has been removed from here. So by this way you can delete it the YouTube channel or services. You can also delete the Gmail account.